Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss a theorem of mathematics in a pair of straight lines. Statement: if the equation s is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel straight lines, then first one h square is equal to ab and next f square is equal to bg square, and third distance between the parallel lines is equal to 2 root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. Proof: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It represents a pair of parallel lines. Let lx plus my1 plus n1 is equal to 0, that is considered as the equation 1, and lx plus my plus n2 is equal to 0, it is considered as the equation 2. Both combined equation is equal is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to lx plus my plus n1 into lx plus my plus n2 by multiplying l square x square plus lmxy plus lx n2 plus lmxy plus m square y square plus my n2 plus lnx plus m1 1 y plus n1 n2. L square x square plus 2lmxy plus m square y square plus ln2x plus l1x and lmxy plus m1y plus n1 and 2. In this we can common x, then we get a is equal to l square, b is equal to m square. By comparing we get a is equal to l square, b is equal to m square, c is equal to n1 and 2. 2h is equal to 2lm, 2g is equal to ln2 plus ln1. Friends, why we consider this equation as lx plus my plus n1 is equal. In both equations, parallel means same. X coefficients and y coefficients are same, and when constants are different, so we consider it as the n1 and n2. They are different. A is, and 2h is equal to 2lm and 2g is equal to ln2 plus l11. 2g is equal to l of n2 plus n1. 2f is equal to mn2 plus mn1. 2f1 is equal to m of m common, then mn of n2 plus n1. 2fn is equal to n2 plus n1. When m is multiplying here and that side will go, it will divide. 2f by m is equal to n2 plus n1. And first we want to do the h square is equal to ab. We want to prove. Then h square is equal to lm whole square is equal to l square m square is equal to ab. F square by g square is equal to m of n2 n1 plus n2 by 2 whole square by l of n1 plus n2 by 2 whole square. 2 we write, then 2 square cancel, then we get m square of n1 plus n2 whole square by l square of n1 plus n2 whole square. N1 plus n2 whole square, it will cancel, then it will remains m square by l square, that is equal to b by a. Next we want to find a distance between parallel lines. Normally the distance between parallel lines formula is n1 minus mod of n1 minus n2 by root of l square plus m square, that is equal to root of n1 plus n2 whole square minus 4n1 n2 by root of a plus b. By substituting the values we get square root of 2g by l square minus 4c by a plus b, that is equal to 4g square by a equals to minus 4c by a plus b, that equals to root of 4g square minus 4ac by a plus b. Root of 4 means 2, then we 2 root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b. Okay friends, thank you for watching.